Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you what is inside the Lookfantastic Winter Beauty Bundle. So I just received it a few minutes ago. Actually it came in a very large package, so I thought, oh my god, what did I order? But actually it was just full of paper, and inside it was this normal sized Lookfantastic beauty box. So this is exactly the size like you get the monthly subscription, but this is the winter bundle, and I have posted on my community tab, I think Sunday when I purchased mine. You get 21 products inside and you pay £30. I thought it's a good deal, so I think I also paid a shipping on top, but it wasn't too much. So I love the packaging. Here is written "Women are strong," and it's with pink and red, and here is written "Unstoppable, tough, powerful, confident, tenacious, and enough." This is all about women empowering, so I thought it's nice. Here on the lid is written "You are enough." This is chocked full with products. So I'm going to pull one by one in no particular order. So first we have these vintage hair scrunchies. They are from silk or from satin, I'm not sure. They are from the Vintage Cosmetics company. Soft satin prevents snagging. So I love those. I have a couple of them. Some of them I have from Lily Silk or from other silk company, but I also have the ones from satin. So there is right here. Then we have the Nancy, I believe is the brand name, and here it is a beauty sponge. And I like the message that they wrote here: replace at least once per month and clean at least once a week. Now just let me know if anyone out there is replacing their beauty sponge once per month, maybe once per quarter. I do it, to be honest. Next we have, I think this is a full size, and probably it's one of the heaviest products from the box. This is by Aromatherapy Associates, and this is the Distress Muscle Gel, focusing and soothing, 150 milliliters. Experience the warming and easing power of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger, helping to soothe and recover. Massage directly into any problem area. I love that. And during winter we have, especially if you are aging, I remember my parents, they were having all sort of joint pains and that kind of stuff, so I think it's good to have something to relieve that pain. Next we have from the brand Magnitone. Those are wipe out swipes. So those are just the removable washcloths. I love this. I think I have another one. I'm not sure if I opened them or not, but they are here. Very useful. You just use water to remove your makeup, or if you want you can put your micellar water. So yeah. Next product, this is a travel mini. The first travel that we have is the Biossance Squalane BHA Pore Minimizing Toner. I'm running out of my BHA toner that I have currently from the Murad, so it will be nice to see if I like it. I will see if I can find a better alternative and also more clean alternative. I think Biossance, they are a clean company. Next we have a product that I think I have also the same size, maybe is the hair mask, I'm not sure. So this is We Are Paradox Moisture Conditioner. So this is with argan oil for supreme hydration, and it has 50 milliliters, so it's enough to see if you like it or not. To be honest, I only see this brand in all sort of beauty boxes, bundles, gifted purchase, and so on. So I don't know if anyone has ever purchased this brand because they wanted to try it, but I see it a lot and everything. So I haven't tried mine, but I am curious for sure. I'm going to try and let you know in my upcoming videos, or probably in empties. Next we have a product that at first I did not like it. This is the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream with SPF 30. So this is your daily moisturizer, and you have 15 milliliters, and it's nice that it has also SPF 30, so in case that you are in a rush and you are not able to apply your SPF, at least you have something to cover you, especially for winter months. Oh, this product, I had it also from Lookfantastic in a beauty box, and I love it so much. This is the Mio Future Proof Body Butter. I remember I had this on vacation and I highly enjoy it. It's very, very nourishing. So probably I will keep this for my 3 days trip to Milano. I think it will be enough product to help me moisturize my body. Those are sleep drops with 10% CBD. Ooh, this is my first CBD product ever. I never had anything CBD related. So this is sleep drops. Okay. So, I don't know. Are we supposed... it's just normal drops. So I need to look into this because I don't know how to use them. I don't know if you should eat or what. Yeah, it's edible. Next we have the Zuvi Hydrating Cleanser. I think I have another of this one on my travel bag. I wasn't able to finish it because this is like a milk consistency, but it's good to have it. Maybe I will replace that one because it's old and I will put this on my bag. Wait, there are more products. This is by Dr. Lip and is the Superfood Sweet Potato Tint, 100% natural for lips and cheeks and eyelids. Oh wow. So it has an applicator that does that. I'm not going to swatch everything because some of them I will either gift or I will put in the upcoming giveaway. So there is right here. I think this is a full size. Next we have a brand that it's very, very pricey and I also see it only on beauty boxes. This is the Avant Hyaluronic Propandiol. What is this? Hyaluronic Facial Serum. I don't know. I was reading what is written here, but I think this is what it is. So it's just an hyaluronic serum, 10 milliliters. I think it's enough to see if you love it or not. And I do believe that I already have the full size of this one. Also from Lookfantastic. Very pricey brand. Always good to have it and not pay the full price. This is the Regenerate Enamel. What is this? Advanced Toothpaste. I never got a toothpaste in my beauty box, but I think it's good to have because we all use toothpaste and it's the perfect size for travel. I find myself that when we are packing for going to vacation, I always remember that we are out of the travel size toothpaste. So now I will keep this for the upcoming trips. Next we have the Disciple, or how to say this, Good Skin. This is the Active Botanical Face Oil Serum. Doesn't say what it has, so it's just a serum. And I do believe this is a travel or a deluxe mini. It's vegan and cruelty free. Next we have a very, very nice product. I do love sorry, I do love the Real Techniques brushes, and this is the powder brush. So it's fluffy, very, very beautiful. Maybe I can open it. It's very nice. I don't think that I have this one. Love the handle. Definitely a must in your collection and it won't break your bank. And the last product from this box is from the brand Vida Glow and is the Natural Marine Collagen. Promotes glowing skin and smooths fine lines. So it's recommended to use one sachet into 250-600 milliliters of water or beverage of choice. My voice is killing me. So you can take one sachet at a time and you can drink 1 to 3 sachets per day. So it's good to take collagen also from inside, not only from outside. So put on your face or on your body. Collagen, it's also good to have it from inside. So we have 6 patches. We have 2 red, 2 green, and 2 of them are purple. So it's written here, Vida Glow. And you have also the pull to open it and securely and faster pour it in your beverage. Alright you guys, there we have it. This is the content of the Lookfantastic winter bundle. So let me know what do you think about this. I'm going to have the link down below in my description box if you are going to purchase it through that link. It's an affiliate link. I would love to thank you in advance for doing that. Guys, I wanted to let you know that there is a mismatch between the products that are included in the set content in the description bundle that is available on lookfantastic.com, and the products that you are going to get on the bundle. So here is written that you get 21 per beauty treat for you to be discovered, and actually you only get 16, so 5 are missing. Among them is the Ren Clean Skincare AHA Tonic 100 milliliters, the Umberto Gianni Exfoliating Anti-Dandruff Scrub 200 milliliters, and a few others, so in total are 5 missing. And reading the reviews, I could see that this was not just occurring to me, because most of the people were saying that they only got 16 products. So actually the products that are going to be sent to you are those from the picture of the bundle, not the one from the description. So I don't know if this is done intentionally. Yeah, I wanted to let you know about this in case that you are going to purchase this bundle, to be aware about the fact that you are not going to get everything in the description. And other than that, stay tuned, because actually I had planned another video for today, but due to the fact that this winter bundle is still on stock, I wanted to upload it and share with you guys in case that you are interested to be able to still purchase it. So yeah, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I want to wish you all to have a fantastic weekend and a beautiful holiday season, and I'm going to see you very soon with another video. Bye bye!